What's up, people? It's the Pip Magnet here, back again. We're still holding that trade from yesterday. This is day 2, and we're still holding that trade. As you can see, our analysis was pretty effective. It was pretty effective. We're still holding the same trade. Day 2 now. As you can see, there's the first candle. So it looks promising that it could still shoot to the bottom side and hit that low where our TP is. So yeah, we're just gonna hold it a little longer and see how that goes. And yeah, I'll just give you guys another update on the trade, how it's looking. But yes, day 2, this is how we're looking. We're still holding. This is how much we're looking at the moment. Actually $90, almost over $90 in profit. So we're just waiting to see how far this goes. But yeah, so far this is how we're looking, and we will hold it today again, and we'll see how it's going to go. But like I said to you guys yesterday, the market can reverse anytime it can change direction. But at the moment, we're just holding. We're just going to see what happens, and let's just watch and take it from there. Peace.